What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. I want to give you guys a detailed description video on how to make passive income every single week using spreads. And for these type of spreads, we're going to be going over credit spreads and debit spreads and how you can use them to make passive income weekly. This is a strategy I do on my main account that I make really good money with every single week, and I want to go over all that good stuff. Before we start though, guys, join our Discord in the link in the description below. We talk about a bunch of different stocks, cryptos, and all that good stuff. We give out free alerts from a bunch of different analysts and go into each and every single one of the trades as well. So if you want to join, hop on in, and as well as like and subscribe. That means a ton to me. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video about spreads. So first off, what is a credit spread and how do I set it up? So a credit spread, you can do a call credit spread or a put credit spread. If you are bullish, you do a put credit spread. If you are bearish, you can do a call credit spread. So we're going to use a stock for an example. Let's pick AAL, American Airlines. It's a relatively cheap stock, and you can do it with any amount of money for this. So if we want to do a put credit spread on American Airlines, we can simply start off by going to the options chain right over here and clicking this button, sell put. And we go down to the price that we want to do. So we're going to do next week because this week is already midway through. And we are going to click the 23.5 strike price. So we are selling the 23.5 strike price put, and we are buying the one underneath it. Okay? So we are getting a profit of $15 to risk $35 in total. Now, we can do a lot more than that. Obviously, we can click this and we can do 10 of them, which is probably what I would do. We would risk $350 to make $150. Now, how do we make profit? How do we lose money? Now, if American Airlines stock stays exactly where it is at $24.23, we make full $150 profit. If American Airlines drops down to $23.50, we still make full $150 profit. And this little channel right here is where we get a partial profit, it's called, between $23.35 and $23.50. Anything in between that, we're going to get a partial profit of about anywhere between $0 and $150, somewhere between that, depending on where the strike ends at the end of the day. Now, if it goes under $23.35, we lose money. We're going to lose basically max profit anywhere at about $23. We're going to lose all $350. So our break-even price is $23.35. So what do we want American Airlines to typically do in this situation? Well, we want it to stay flat, drop a little bit, or go up. In any of those scenarios, we will make full profit. Now, this strike price that we picked, 23.5, it's pretty far out of the money, as you can clearly see, because it's 24.23. So the stock would have to drop about 75 cents for us to be in trouble with this. And if it does, obviously we are going to start losing if it finishes out on expiration. Now, American Airlines can go down to 22 during this time before June 18th, but as long as it finishes above this 23.5, we still make full profit. Okay? And you can do this with any stock, even expensive stocks like Amazon, stocks that you normally wouldn't be able to play because the options are so expensive. You can play them with using that. If we go here, we sell the put credit spread on Amazon, and we choose, let's see, if we go to June 18th, always give yourself a little bit of extra time to do this and give yourself obviously some space as well. We go down here to about 3,200. We don't think it's going to drop 70 points. We sell this one. We buy this one right here. We will get a credit of $133, max loss of $367. So as you can clearly see, you can play it like that. Now, what is the other one? It's the call credit spread. So we remove these. A call credit spread is a bearish position. So you're sitting here, you think that, okay, Amazon has gone up a lot today. I don't think it's going to continue, but I want to be safe as well. So I'm going to go to $3,300. I don't think it's going to go up another 30 points. I can sell this call right here and collect $31.65 and then buy this call and pay $3,000. And so I make $168 in profit as long as Amazon stays above, well, 3,300. Okay. Now, Your max profit's 168, your max loss is 332. Again, this is a bearish position because you do not want Amazon to rise. You want Amazon to either go up very little to about 33.20, something like that, around the 90s, go down, or stay flat, and you will collect full profit. That is a call credit spread. Again, that is a bearish position. I do bullish ones on my account. If we look today at some of the stuff I did some put credit spreads on Apple. I'm not up as much as I wanted to be on Apple, so I haven't closed those out. But we did close out our Amazons today for a nice profit, as you can clearly see. We didn't make $880 off it. We made about $150 off of that. We made a little bit off our Microsoft ones as well for our put credit spreads because we like to do those today as well. But I mean, this is a great strategy to do to really make consistent gains in the market. And it doesn't take a lot of capital, $500, not even, because you do 332 is what you have to put up technically, because that's the maximum that you can lose on this trade. Now, what I do as well is I go far out on a lot of these. If you look at some of my positions, I go farther out on a lot of these. Like these Amazons, we're up almost $5,000 on it right now because we have the 3,029.80. So we're putting $2,000 on the line, times that by 13. So we're putting $26,000 on the line. And we can still get another $9,000 out of these, which is huge. And we're already up $5,000. So as long as Amazon stays above 3,298, we make all 9,000 more. Same as this one. This is a 3,050 that we put on, risking $8,000, but we collected about $3,300. So again, if Amazon stays above that price, we make full profit. We also did a call credit spread. So this is the bearish one. We're saying that Amazon won't go above $4,200 by January of 2022. We're already up 133. Obviously, we lost some today because Amazon flew. But again, this is a hedge for these other bets. So we're risking $5,000 to make $400 or $555. So again, great strategy to use to either make weekly money like I have done this week with Amazon's. If we go ahead and look at our orders for today, if we go ahead and find Amazon, you can see right here we close it out at 46 cents right here for one of them. We closed the other one out at 39 cents, and we sold them for $1.47. So we got $147. We bought it back here for a $100 profit. We bought another one back here for a $107 profit. So about $200 and something from that. We did our Microsofts as well, made it over $100 and something on that. And now we also have Bobble ones expiring next week that we're hoping to cash out on as well pretty soon. We're only up $29 right now, but we can still get $494 out of it. Again, we usually close these things out when they're about 75 to 85% profit. And then our apples as well. We're holding on to these ones for a little bit as well. Right here, we're up $23.90 on that. We can still get another $24. We're probably just going to wait a little bit because I don't see Apple going to $121. So we'll probably go ahead and close it out pretty soon. Also, a great thing if you're on Robinhood, you don't pay commission. I pay 50 cents a contract. So if I wanted to close this out, there's three there, so I'd be paying $3 in commission at least to close that out. So be wary of that. It can add up if you're on a smaller account that's not on Robinhood. But essentially, guys, this is a great strategy to use, and you can use this for anything. This is what really helped me, make my account go up a lot. Obviously, don't over leverage yourself because I was over leveraged at this point with credit spreads, and I got absolutely demolished. I went from being up 49,000 only being up 5,900, so I lost about $40,000 in the course of a couple weeks. But we ended up making it back, and we finished right around being up $47,000 in total, which is pretty awesome. But that's a great strategy that I've used, and I'm going to continue to use it going forward. So, guys, it's one of those things that you can use to really benefit yourself and take advantage of weekly premium. Again, find stocks that have gone down that you like. I keep a little range of stocks that I really like. I have my my BABA that I always look at, my Amazon, my Apple, my Microsoft. AMD is another one I have a lot on. If you look at my AMDs, they're more long term. Right here, we have 13 of these bad boys, and we're already up $512 on that. But this is just a way that I make passive income in the market, and then I can hedge myself with UVXY or VIX calls. But that's a separate video that I'll talk to you guys about hedging yourself as well. But essentially, guys, this is the strategy that can make you a lot of money, especially if you have a smaller account. Obviously, I sell puts, as well. I sell 140s, 135s, 170s, because I have a lot of capital on my account, and I'm on level 4 options, so I have a lot of leverage. But for people who have smaller accounts, this is the strategy to use: credit spreads. And debit spreads are just the opposite of that. Essentially, I'm selling someone a debit spread. So if you wanted to do a debit spread, you're not going to collect premium up front. You are going to pay a premium up front. So if I was betting that Tesla was going to go over a certain price by, next week, if I think by, January or June 18th, that Tesla is going to be above $610, I can buy this one and sell this one here. And I am risking 115 to make 135. I'm essentially betting that Tesla will finish above 610 by that day. So you're paying credit to someone else. You have a debit in your account where you pay up front. If it's above it, you make that amount of money. So pretty cool, pretty good strategy. But essentially, guys, that's really about it. I prefer credit spreads over debit spreads. But yeah, that's really about it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on all this. Remember to join the Discord and like and subscribe. It means a ton to me. And if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to message me on Discord, message me on Instagram at Tyler Glowacki. But yeah, I'm always here to help you guys. I'm always here to do what's best for you guys and help you guys, make profits in the market. It's what it's about. It's about, making money together and doing it the right way. And I think this is a great strategy that's really helped me over time, and I think it can help you guys as well. So just let me know your thoughts on all this. Like and subscribe. Again, I'm sorry that I asked that a lot. It means a lot to me, and only about 10% of people who actually watch my videos are subscribed, not even. So if you guys can do that, that would just mean a ton to me. But anyways, guys, just enjoy your day. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you guys next video. Thank you so much for everything, guys. Bye.